Hello, Leshark here for your Phuket Weekly Weather Update, live from say this every week. I'm live, it is recorded though, but I'm live doing this, and it's, if that makes sense. Probably not. Anyway, first week of November, very exciting, as you can probably hear. I haven't really got a voice today, but I'll explain that in a minute. And as you can see from behind me, it's a little bit overcast today, but so far, there's been no drops of sunshine falling from the sky. And if you saw my laundry behind me, that's a good thing, because I can dry all my towels from yesterday, where my dog got very muddy and very wet, and we had to use all the towels, which I'm probably going to show you now. And got some sad news about Farmer Shark, but I'll show you that in a minute. All right, let's go look at laundry and Farmer Shark's plant box. All good stuff to do a weather forecast for the first week of November. Ah, there you go. Woo-woo! There you go, see? Look, laundry, lots of towels. And the reason for that, well, it's because of these two monsters, as you can see, barking and making lots of noise in the bush. Thanks, dogs. Anyway, we've got some bad news. Right, Farmer Shark here. Oh, look, calm pass, looks good. But look here, look. My cucumbers got eaten by snails, so we had to take them down and put them away, and actually a lot of it's in there being compost. So we've, shush dogs. So we've only got pineapples left, but we're gonna plant some new stuff, and maybe next week you can see it even when, look, my tomatoes not doing too good either. So we got some cucumbers. What else should we plant? Hey, why don't you comment below what you want us to plant? All right, thanks. Right, let's go do the weather. Cheese, moon. Definitely. I think the moon's made of cheese. Must be. Look, spaceman on cheese. Interesting. Oh, hello. Why am I looking at cheese moons? Well, because I'm having a midlife crisis, and I've decided I'm going to get into puzzles. So I've brought myself a moon puzzle. So over the next few weeks, it's probably going to take me a few weeks, you're going to watch me build this. Is it build or make? I don't know what the right expression is. Anyway, moon puzzle, good. Can't buy them at our website, but you can buy our thermos flasks, which I don't have. Anyway, here's the weather. Now, I should apologise for my voice, but we did a big team building event on Thursday, and then I had an event on Friday, and then had an event MCing yesterday, and I've kind of lost my voice. You can probably also see I still have some face paint on. I didn't shower very well. But forget about that. Let's look at the weather for the first week of November. It's almost Christmas, you know. Very excited about Christmas. It's going to be fun. Anyway, look, this is windy. This is the app we use to look at the wind. Why do we look at the wind? Because the wind shows us where the weather's coming from, and also if it's going to be bumpy or not. And that's quite important to us. If there are a few little drops of sunshine falling from the sky, that doesn't matter because you're going to get wet anyway. But it's the waves that are quite important, because you don't want to be bouncing around on the boat, do you? No, of course not. Right. So this is Sunday morning as we look at this. Now, strangely enough, the wind is now coming back from the west, which is odd because this time of year the wind should be coming from the east. But we are in a transitional period, end of October, start of November. We are coming into high season weather, so we are going to get this kind of move around. But it doesn't look too bad today. In fact, it's a little bit, well, you saw from the intro, it's a little bit overcast out there, and my garden's not looking good, is it? That plant box, need to plant some new stuff. Anyway, right, so you can see it's a little bit windy, but nothing too bad. Let's look at Sunday afternoon, which is the afternoon. It looks quite nice. So today is a good day to go out. So if you're not out on the boat right now, unlucky. You missed quite a good day to go out. Right, Monday the 3rd. Let's have a little look. Oh, a little bit windy Monday morning. Monday late morning, still a bit windy. Monday afternoon, still quite windy. So coming back from Phi Phi's here, by the way, it might be a little bit bouncy. Phang Nga Bay should be okay because it is well protected by Phang Nga and Krabi down here. Let's look at Tuesday the 4th. Tuesday the 4th looks nice, not too much. Oh, I didn't explain, did I? Blue means no wind, purple, really no wind, green, some wind, yellow, more wind, orange, lots of, I didn't buy batteries for my, look, I didn't put batteries in it. Stupid. Anyway, so yeah, orange is really windy, but we won't get that today, that's for sure. Tuesday afternoon, bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, but once again, nothing to really worry about. Wednesday the 5th looks really good. Looks really nice, in fact. Wednesday afternoon, not too bad at all. So I think Phi Phi and Phang Nga will be good. Ratcha's down here. You should go to Ratcha. Ratcha's really nice. Ratcha is one of those places, very underrated. It's got crystal clear waters, a little bit like the Midlife Islands, but you don't have to drive for 2 hours to get to Ratcha, that's for sure. And you can actually island hop on the way down. So Ratcha's a good choice. If you want some crystal clear water, some good snorkeling, head down to Ratcha. Thursday the 6th, once again, doesn't look too bad. A little bit of green, but nothing to worry about. Thursday afternoon, a little bit maybe bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, but once again, nothing to really worry about. Friday the 7th, looks a bit windy on Friday. Yeah, Friday morning looks it's going to be like a little bit bumpy, maybe coming down to Phi Phi. Friday afternoon still looks a bit bumpy, so Friday might be a bit bumpy. So if you are heading out Friday, maybe Phang Nga Bay, maybe Hong Krabi over here is a good choice for you. On Saturday the 8th, looks okay. Once again, Phi Phi a little bit bouncy, but nothing too bad. Saturday afternoon looks great, so yeah, Phi Phi looks good for next Saturday. And then next Sunday the 9th, looks really nice in Phang Nga, looks good down in Phi Phi. Sunday afternoon, next Sunday afternoon, looks great. So next weekend looks really good. So overall, next week doesn't look too bad. Now, we said that last week as well, and we did have a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky last week, especially on my team building day. We had a few schools come through, but that is starting to die off. But let's look at acute weather. I know it's hard to see this, and damn you, acute weather, I can now only do up to Thursday, and you have to pay extra to see what the weather's going to do after Thursday, and I refuse to pay extra because I don't really trust acute weather that much. But it does show us, so Sunday here, 31 degrees, 30 degrees, 31 degrees. It's very humid at the moment because there is quite a lot of rain in the air. And it does anticipate that it might be a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky for the first few days of the week, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. And then it kind of eases off from Tuesday onwards. Shush, dogs. So not too bad. And the little drops of sunshine, you generally just get squalls come through. Now what I mean by a squall is like you get like a load of rain for about 10 minutes or so, and then it clears up and you get blue sky and you get some cloud and you get some rain. It's a bit all over the shop at the moment, but as I've always said in the last few weeks, we are going through a transition period, going from our rainy season into what we call our dry season or high season, or it's not peak season yet because peak season will be Christmas and New Year. There's lots of seasons. We're just coming out of green season, wet season, monsoon season, just seasons. Seasons in the sun. Who sang that? There were joys, there were unlimited seasons. Is that Westlife? I think it was Westlife. Anyway, let's look at this one, which is the TMD radar, which is absolutely pointless because this is live as I record this on Sunday morning, and it is Sunday morning, officially Sunday morning. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain coming through here. Now, this means absolutely nothing to you because you're probably not watching this as I am right now on Sunday morning about 10 a.m. because by the time this gets edited and put out, it'll be Sunday afternoon, maybe even Monday. And you might not be watching this till Tuesday or even Wednesday. So it's pointless to even look at this. So there you go. That's your Phuket Weekly Weather Update for this week, the first week of November, with me, a very tired, lost my voice and face paint on my eyebrows. Face paint was rubbish, by the way. Did it for thanks, Jolie. Her name was Jolie. She did it. I was dressed up as a French fry yesterday. I'm not sure I've got any pictures of myself as a French fry. Maybe. I'll have a look. Anyway, there you go. I'm going to get back to my beautiful moon jigsaw puzzle. That's right. Midlife Crisis J doing moon puzzles. Shush, dog.